Welcome back. Instead of blame game, people and the authorities in the state should concentrate on how to make the atmosphere in the state better for tourists. Tourism is the main force behind Goa's economy, and more than 40% are dependent directly or indirectly on the industry. These were some of the points emphasized during the CII's seminar on Enhancing Tourism Culture Initiative for Goa held in Panji.
We have seen the recent instance what happened at Porvorim. And what exactly happened over there was the foreigners were blaming the police were blaming the locals were blaming the state government. End of the day, it was all a blame game. What we need to know is we have to look within ourselves to understand where did we go wrong individually and where is it that we can proceed to make the whole atmosphere better. I think this is the whole essence of today's seminar, that tourism is the main force behind Goa's economy, the main driving factor which gives employment to so many of us Goans, considering the type of drawbacks and setbacks that the state has had in the past couple of months. It is hospitality, it is tourism, which is today employing more than 40% directly or indirectly of Goans in the tourism trade.
With commercialism of tourism, we have forgotten what hospitality means. People in a hurry to make money have forgotten that it is only because of hospitality that money will follow, not the other way around. We need to become sensitive to the expectations of the tourist, be it in hotels, restaurants, hospitals, taxis, traders, police force, and any other trade or vocation which directly or indirectly deals with the tourist.
Saifulla Khan is the new Vice Chairperson of Murgao Municipality. The election for the Vice Chairperson's position was held on Tuesday. He defeated Gary Fernandez by 9 votes. Khan has assured to complete pending projects in the port town.
The election for Vice Chairperson of Murgao Municipal Council was held on Tuesday. Saifulla Khan has been elected as the new Vice Chairperson of Murgao Municipal Council. He won against Jose Philip D'Souza-backed councillor Gary Fernandez.
Out of 19 votes, 14 are in favor of Khan Saifulla B. And Sri Fernandez Jerry has polled 5 votes.
जो आमची जे भाशेन थोडे आमचे गार्डन्स बायना गार्डन जावं आनी भाशेचे डेव्हलपमेंट फंड्साक लागून जे आमचे उरलेले आसा त्या प्रमाणे हांव हे घेवन सगळे पूर्ण कामात चेअरपर्सनाचो वांगड घेवन आनी आमचे सगळे काउन्सिलरांचो वांगड घेवन म्हाका सपोर्ट केला तांकां घेवन हांव पूर्ण कामां करता जाता तितले म्हजी मेहनत करतलो आनी हांव म्युनिसिपालिटीचे डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क घेवन वयतलो.
Elections were held as former Vice Chairperson Shekhar Khadapkar resigned from the post on completion of his tenure. Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Creating history, India's Mars orbiter mission blasted off from Sriharikota. India launched its first spacecraft to Mars on Tuesday. If successful, the satellite will take about 300 days to reach Mars and will search for methane in the Martian atmosphere. Only the United States, Europe and Russia have so far successfully sent probes that have orbited or landed on Mars.
Liftoff normal. प्रक्षेपण सफलता.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.